Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to create a PayPal account. So if you're looking to start your payments easily, this is for you. So let us sign up from the right in here, from the top right. In here choose which kind of account you want, personal or business. Most people use personal, so I'll start with that. Now choose your region and country, and now just type in your email, then click on next. Now you need your phone number. Okay, and click on next. And now insert your first name, last name, and enter date of birth. Okay, and then in here, street address and all this information. Okay guys, and you can see you're in now after inserting your information of address and all of that. And as you can see, you can send money and shop with ease with your new accounts. Now you can, for example, shop with PayPal or send money. Just press on any of these. And in here, guys, you can either add your new address or choose the one that you've inserted when signing up. Or you can just do it later, which is fine. And now you have your PayPal account. Enjoy, guys. If this helps you out, like the video, we greatly appreciate it, and subscribe.